This used to be my You're alone. I'll come over when I'm done. Screw you.
All right. You ready to start this thing?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Oh yeah, we are gonna need SPSS too.
I knew it. Whenever it mentions it in the reading, you know you're gonna have to use it.
Yep. So. All right. So number 3.
So we just have to compute what t is.
What is the value of the test
Yep.
statistic? Yeah. I got 2.
I'm still working on it. I did it wrong the first time.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm also still working.
3. What did you get, Jacob?
2.
That's what I got too. Because you just did 2.2 divided by 1.1.
Yeah, pretty much. I was doing it some other crazy way and realized I think that's all you have to do. So.
Wait, so what equation did you guys use?
It's the t equals 2.2 minus 0 over 3.3
Oh, okay.
over square root of 9.
Okay. I just wasn't sure about the 0 part. Like, that was confusing me.
Yeah, I wasn't sure about
okay.
it either, because I went back and looked at the reading, and that's what they had in the reading. So.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Probability of being greater than 2 is 0.0403. Use that to determine the p-value. Okay.
Probability of reading. So for this, we're supposed to enter in the t-value on like that thing, right?
Yeah.
On like that other, not the applet, but the other thing. Is that what we're supposed to do?
I think so.
Where is that? I don't have that like open.
The SPSS?
Oh, Well, it never gave us a data file to open, right?
Yeah.
No. You just when you go to that when you go to the desktop of your new thing that you log on to, there's just there's an icon on your desktop that says SPSS
Yeah.
statistics.
But what statistics do you have entered
Oh.
in?
You don't need that for this problem, apparently.
Okay, I don't know how to do it then, because I thought it was like one of those, like that t-value chart thing that we used
Yeah.
last time, and you enter in the t-value, and then it showed you.
Is the p-value the same as like the standard deviation?
Pretty much. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the same as the standard deviation?
Or like the sample standard deviation or something.
Oh, okay. Catch that. Yep, I'm still not sure what I'm doing here.
All you do, I'm pretty sure, is just 2 times 0.0403, and you get 0.081.
Why are you multiplying
Why
it?
would we do that?
That's what I just looked up on the internet.
Huh.
Okay. Perfect.
So it says, yeah, the p-value, because we have the what's that called? Whatever the 0.0403, I can't remember like what that is, like the percentage or
It's the
Yeah.
whatever.
probability.
The probability there, yeah. So that's all it says you have to do.
Okay.
So
0.0806.
0.081.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I rounded it to 3 decimal places.
Okay, use this data below to answer 5 through 10.
Okay. So did you enter in both of those, all those numbers in group 1 and 2?
Yeah, I wonder.
So.
I think that, because remember how I was talking about how they're like paired or whatever. So
Yeah.
I think in one column we'll do group 1, and the next column I think you do group 2. I think.
Gotcha. Okay.
I feel like I'm on the internet in a third world country when I'm on this thing.
It is so. But for real though.
So for the first question, it's just asking what's D, which is going to be the mean, right?
Yeah.
Are we doing the mean of group 1 or group 2 or both of them together?
I think it's the difference of those.
Oh yeah, you're right. So it's
But
so we find the difference from group 1 and group 2 and then take the column of the differences and find the average.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, hold on, yeah.
I'm just trying to
Oh, I forgot
figure out how to
you-
do it.
It was in the reading. I did it with the reading, but that was yesterday, so. You got a hot date, Jacob? Is that who you meant to text?
No.
Don't lie to us.
Hey, I have a girlfriend. So I guess it could have still been a hot date, but
Yeah, just I can have a hot date.
no, just somebody that wanted to get together. So
Are you guys able to, like, get the difference of the two?
That's what I'm working on right
'Cause
now.
it's not working for me for some reason.
I'm working on it.
I'm looking up how because I forgot the steps. I did it yesterday, but apparently it's way too long for me to.
There's a lot of steps.
It's like telling me how to do it in Excel, but where's the SPSS instructions?
But you could put it into Excel.
I wish I could use Excel. I'm so much better at
You
Excel.
can. Just copy and paste that into Excel then.
Yeah, I've already got it open. It's all copied. So. Plus, I know on the test it'll be like, do this in SPSS. I'm like, no, I did it.
Well, not if you know how to do it on Excel. I think it's fine.
Okay, so you go transform compute variable. And so we're subtracting group 2 from group 1, I'm
Yes.
assuming?
Yes.
So yeah, you can do that. Minus that.
So it's variable 2 subtract variable 1?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think so.
Did it work for you guys? Because it's not working for me.
I'm not there yet. Won't even like let me click OK when I'm entering.
I know where it says target variable, you have to write something there.
What do I write?
I wrote difference.
Oh, okay. So it's just kind of like a label for that column.
Yeah, it's just a label.
One of the operands for arithmetic operation or something.
Yeah, that's what mine says. I don't know what that means.
Is that what you're getting when you're clicking OK that it says? I'm about to open Excel.
I know, me
This is
too.
really dumb.
So the difference of those should be numbers. The difference of those is number 5.
No, well, the average of all the differences, I
Yeah.
think.
The average of the differences. Okay. Let me see something. Oh. Actually.
Really frustrating to know how to do something and it's not working.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I got something.
Really?
How? Did you do it in SPSS?
Yeah.
What'd you do then?
So you have to take, when you do the differences, it'll come up on the 3rd column. Did you guys look at that?
Well, it won't. That's the thing is I can't get mine to come up on the 3rd column.
Yeah, that's mine too.
Well, so when I did the calculation, I quit out of the box that popped up, and then there was the 3rd column off of the differences. So then I highlighted that column, and then analyzed it, and I got the average or whatever of that.
Yeah, exactly. The only thing is when I click OK, when I'm putting in my formula or whatever, it comes up with an error.
Okay.
It says one of the operands for an arithmetic operation is other than a numeric variable or numeric expression. So what did you put exactly in the box for your formula?
All I did, here, I'll do it again. You said it was transform, or did you do analyze descriptive?
Variable. I went to compute variable. That's what it says.
Yeah. So then I just typed in difference, and then I selected variable 1 minus variable 2.
Oh, you did variable. See, I did it the other way around.
And then I got that and took the average.
So variable
Does it matter if it's variable 1 minus 2 or?
I think it is 1 minus 2. The first data set minus the second.
Okay.
I think that's why the other one wasn't working.
Well, mine still comes up with the same variable, or mine still comes up with the same message. Does yours, baby?
Yep, it does.
Yeah, that's
I
weird.
don't know what's wrong. Well,
I got 31.025.
All right. I know how to do it. I mean,
for the mean part?
Yeah, the D. Number 5, what is?
Okay.
So it's 31 point what?
31.025.
025.
Okay.
So then 6, what is SD?
That's the standard deviation. Right?
Yeah.
I'm going to try and pull it up in Excel really quick while you...
Yeah, I got the standard deviation too.
Okay, one sec.
What is the test statistic?
That's what we just did on the other one, right? The t-value?
Mm. I got that too.
Oh, I cannot
Just
find the difference of those, so I can't figure it out.
I'm just copying it all into Excel, but at the speed of a tortoise.
P-value. Got the p-value too.
Good news, I've got one column copied and pasted in 5 minutes.
Oh my. Oh.
I mean, I could walk you through it real quick and make sure you didn't have something selected that you weren't supposed to the first time.
I'm already out of the SPSS. I'm doing it all
Okay.
into Excel to see if I can do it there because I can do a lot better in Excel.
Okay. Because we
As
have
long
to
as
do
I
this
know-
whole same thing again.
Yeah, I just want to be able to make sure I know how to do it.
Okay.
So, um,
Jacob, when you did transform and then compute variable, did you have anything highlighted?
Hold on 1 second. Oh, yeah, I had both the columns highlighted.
I wonder if that's what I was doing wrong.
We'll see. Nope, it still doesn't work.
So you typed in difference again and did the first minus the second?
Yeah.
Do you have anything selected over on the right under function group or anything like that?
I don't think so. Like nothing's highlighted or anything.
Okay, just making sure. So yeah, I just did that again and then clicked OK. And then a little box comes up and I just quit out of that to not save it. Does a box come up for you at all?
No, it doesn't.
Nothing happens when you push OK?
Just the error thing that it brought up for Braxton. It's the same one as mine.
Hmm.
I have no idea why.
What did you get for your standard deviation?
Let's see. Let me go back. 341.157.
Okay, so I've got the mean, I've got the standard deviation. What's the next question? The t-value?
What is the test statistic?
And that's just...
You guys doing okay?
Yep. I'm just figuring out the t value for the first one.
Okay.
You know how to do it. It's just taking me forever on this computer.
What did you get for number 7?
I got 0.407.
Oh, that is not what I got.
407.
31.
Are you sure the mean was only 31?
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Oh, okay.
'Cause
It just seems
of
weird.
negative. There's like a lot of negative numbers and a lot of positive numbers,
Oh,
and so they kind of cancel each other out.
Yeah.
I was thinking the same thing. I was wondering why it was only 31.
Well, and looking at the data, like they're big numbers, but since it's the difference of the numbers, the difference of the data.
Yeah.
did you say you got .407?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. That's what I got.
So for number 7, it's 31.025 over what? For the formula?
The SD, so 341.157, and that divided by the square root of 20.
It comes out to what?
.407.
Yeah.
047.
0.407.
All right, and then 5 was 31.025, and 6 was 341.157, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the p-value? So are we just multiplying the standard deviation by 2 again?
I don't know, because I got that using SPSS again to the p-value, and I got 0.689.
Let's see if there's instructions for that on Excel on here.
So its p-value is 0.689. For number 9, would we reject the null hypothesis?
I said we would fail to reject the null
Or fail.
hypothesis, yeah.
Okay.
And then even if that was less than O, we would still fail to reject the null, I'm pretty sure.
Why do you see that?
Just because, let's see.
Oh, because it's either 0 or not equal to 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm really bad at explaining some things sometimes.
It's okay.
Like, I'm
No
awful.
worries.
I can do certain things in my head, but when I try to like explain them,
So we failed to reject the null hypothesis
yeah.
because it's 0.1 and we got 0.6.
Yeah.
Okay, so then for 10,
Wouldn't that mean that we were going to reject it, though?
No,
Oh, no.
it's failed
Yeah,
to
you-
reject.
Yeah, you're right. I hate the way they word that. I wish they would say reject accept, but
I
it's
know.
fail to reject. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so suppose your alternative hypothesis is greater than 0. What is the correct decision?
Reject it
It would
or
be.
fail?
Wouldn't it be fail? Because don't we just divide the p-value by 2? Isn't that what it was? Is that when you had like you had your alternative hypothesis and you had a greater or you had a not equal to symbol, then it was the whole like the p-value is the whole thing, but then if it was greater than or less than, then you divided it by 2. You guys remember?
But if it's greater than 0 though,
Well, it doesn't matter.
doesn't it have to be less than or equal to 0?
For both, it was the same for both. You divided that value by half, but I'm just trying to remember if it was the p-value or not.
So I think that's also failed to reject then, no.
Yeah, because it's still 0.3.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still bigger than 0.1, so we failed to reject it again.
Okay, another one.
Oh, this is a nightmare.
Is it not working for you?
Well, I'm trying to do it on this Excel spreadsheet that they gave us on the textbook because it gives you the instruction in SPSS and in Excel. And for the Excel one, they already have like this pre-generated thing, and you just copy the stuff into it. And I'm doing that. And instead of like giving me the difference, it's just saying hashtag value. So I don't know how to change it because it's all their like formatting and everything, all their formulas and everything already in here.
Mine just isn't working again, so
I'm sorry.
what is wrong?
No, next time I'm just not going to get an SPSS at all, and I'm just going to do it in Excel. Okay, so it's working for all of the other ones except for that one now. So the difference here is 39.
Oh, sorry, this is taking forever.
You're good.
What did you get for the DF?
I don't think they have that up anymore, but I found out that N was greater.
What is N? Isn't it
N's just like the mean.
N's the mean? I thought N was the number of entries.
Yeah. I don't know, because I did it on SPSS, so I didn't have to like do any of the calculations.
Yeah. But,
Yeah.
So but N was greater than DF?
Yes.
So I have like 27.487 for the DF. So I was just curious if I did that right, but okay, so what did you get for the p-value?
0.001.
That's even close to what I got. Yep. Okay. So some of these answers are right. That's a start. All right, so then we would reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Decrease, right?
Yeah, since that's greater than 0.
Because you divide it by
And
2.
it's- Yeah. So the
then
p-value would decrease.
Reject it again, right?
Yeah. This one I've been thinking about for a while, but I just came to the conclusion is it not enough information? It depends on the problem.
Wouldn't the greater than and the less than always be the same? Because I thought that the does not equals is the same as the p-value is the same as like that other value. I can't think of the name.
Regardless if it is the same or not, if
Yeah.
it is the same, Yeah.
then not enough information would be a choice because you can't have two answers.
Exactly.
Yeah, I agree with you. I'm just saying
Okay, gotcha.
that's why. I'm pretty sure that's why. Well, should we give it a shot and submit it?
Yeah.
You have any
Sure.
questions, Bailey?
Do it. Did you get it, Bailey? You got it all?
I think so.
Okay.
Hopefully.
At this point, I really just
Nice.
Look at that. Woo.
sweet.
All right. Good job, guys.
Perfect. So hopefully, yeah, those this process works out better for you guys for
I
the
know.
homework or
Hopefully.
something. But
I might write her and ask her. Otherwise, I'm just gonna try doing the homework on Excel this time and not even open it and see how that goes.
I'm sure it'd be fine. So yeah, just ask her.
Sure.
So
Okay.
All right,
All
see you
right.
guys.
we'll see
Thanks,
you on
guys.
Thursday. See ya.
Okay. See ya.